All right, let's go check on the rice, which is in the white pot here. All right, have that. It's not ready yet. So now over here in my purple Dutch oven, this is all completed. This is my whatever stew. Oh, this thing heavy. There's chicken and shrimp and vegetables in there. Oh my God, y'all, this thing heavy. So I call it whatever because whatever I had in the refrigerator, in the freezer, that's exactly what I put in there. So there's chicken in here, shrimp in here, 3 bell peppers, some mushrooms. I made my homemade pasta sauce and some great spices. So stay tuned. We're just waiting on the rice here. Just waiting on the rice. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. It's on and popping.